There and welcome to Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer classes. If you're new to this channel, you're so much welcomed. If you're trying to learn computer, either you're a student, a business owner, or you're just trying to get the basics of how to operate with your computer, this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you how to convert your Word document to a PDF, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. Have you ever wondered or had a need to send your document without changing its format? The easiest solution to convert your Word document is into a PDF format. So today I'm going to show you how to do this in a few minutes. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. So basically, what is a PDF? A PDF, its full name is portable document format. And it's a file format that keeps your document looking the same way on any device. Once you share your PDF format, it will still remain the same. It will not have been edited. Nothing will have changed, as the PDF format keeps it in the same format. Benefits of putting your documents into a PDF format: it makes your document look professional, easy to share, difficult to edit accidentally, and portable with almost every device. So the first method to convert or to save your document into PDF, you open your Microsoft Word or the document where you are editing your document in, and that is the Microsoft Word. Then click File. I'm going to show you this step by step. Once you click File, then click Save As. Once you click Save As, choose the folder where you want to save your document in. Then under the Save As type, select PDF or .pdf. It has an extension of .pdf. Then click Save. And once you click Save, that's it. Your Word document will be converted to a PDF format. The second method is to export as PDF. So you click File the same way. Once you open your Word document, click File, then select Export. Once you select Export, click Create PDF or XPS document, then choose the location where you want to save it, then click Publish. Once you click Publish, your PDF will be ready for you to have access to. So why convert your Word document to PDF? Well, if you want to send your CV and resume, you convert your document to PDF. Sharing assignment, business reports, invoices and quotations, professional documents, PDF files ensures everyone sees your document exactly as it is. So that is one of the reasons why you should convert your Word document to PDF. And in summary, to save your document, you click your Word document, click File, select Save As or Export, then choose PDF and then save your file. That's basically it. So I'm going to show you practically how this is. So you'll come to your Word document. So once you click Word document, this is my file. You come to this section, File. Once you click File, then click Save As. Once you click Save As, you select where you want the folder where you want to save your document. I want to save it there. Once you click the folder, you select under this section the format you want. We want to put this as a PDF. So once you click PDF and then click Save. Once you click Save, I already had this document, so I click OK. So once I click OK, my document will be saved in a PDF format. Here is my document. It has already been converted to a PDF format, and this is basically how it looks like. So the other way is you go to your Word document. Once you you come to your Word document, come to File. Once you come to File, click Export. Once you click Export, then create PDF/XPS document. Once you click like that, you click like that.